Did somebody figure out the products? What did you get? Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to get the hydrogen ion plus the carbonate ion. So the hydrogen ion plus the carbonate ion makes, what's the formula? H2CO3. And then we have the sodium ions with the chloride ions, and that's going to make NaCl. So we get hydrogen carbonate and sodium chloride. We just swap it. Hydrogen carbonate and sodium chloride. But we don't call it hydrogen carbonate. We call it bicarbonate is HCO3 minus. That's different. That's an acid. This is an acid anion. An acid doesn't have any charge. Yeah. Yeah. This is called, what's the name of it called? Carbonic acid, which you should automatically know decomposes. But it depends on how many we have. For each carbonic acid, it decomposes into 1 water and 1 CO2 gas. But how many carbonic acids do we have? Well, we have to balance this. So the next step is to balance it. How would you balance this one? 2 HCl. Yeah, 2 NaCl. Okay, and then we state the driving force. What is the driving force for this reaction? Yeah, there's two. We can say stronger acid, HCl, to weaker acid, carbonic acid. Or we could say this. What's this?
Gas.
Gas. So we're getting effervescence here with gas formation. And this would be our CE. Now let me tell you something about the IE. For the IE, the point is to ionize the strong electrolyte. Everything else is left alone. And so the only thing if you look at the previous examples, the only thing we ionize were the strong electrolytes. If it's not a strong electrolyte, leave it alone. And so what are the strong electrolytes? The strong electrolytes are the strong acids, the strong bases, and the soluble salts. Ionize or hydrolyze. We have to hydrolyze the bases, but the acids we just ionize. So why don't you finish this one up? Actually, we don't have much time. So let me help you with this one here. Do we ionize that or do we leave it alone? HCl. Is HCl strong acid? Strong base? The strong acid, so we're going to ionize it. We have 2 HCl, so we're going to ionize it to 2H plus 2Cl minus. Sodium carbonate, is that a strong electrolyte? Yes, soluble salts are strong electrolytes. So this is going to give us 2 sodiums plus 1 carbonate. We need 2 sodiums for every carbonate, otherwise the charges don't balance out. Okay, now we're going with this. You know, this is unstable, right? So it's got to form H2O and CO2. So H2O, is that a strong electrolyte? No, so leave it alone. CO2, is that a strong electrolyte? Is it strong acid, strong base, or soluble salt? No, so leave it alone. Sodium chloride, is that a strong electrolyte?
Yeah.
Yes. So we have to ionize it into how many sodiums? 2 sodiums. And how many chlorides?
1.
No, actually, it's got to be 2 chlorides. 2 sodiums and 2 chlorides because we have 2 NaCl's. And then finally for the NIE, since we're out of time here in 1 minute, let's do the NIE. What are the spectators? This is the IE or the TIE. The NIE, we eliminate the spectators. H plus, spectator? No. Cl minus, spectator? Yes. So we're going to eliminate Cl minus. I'm not going to cross it out. I'm just going to underline it. If I cross it out, then it's going to ruin my IE. Na plus? Spectator. Carbonate? Not a spectator. So the NIE is 2H plus a carbonate yields H2O liquid plus CO2 gas. Now, I only write liquid, gas, solid. Aqueous I'm not going to write because it gets too repetitive, writing it over and over and over again. All right, so that's it. Actually, that's all we have time for today. Stop here.